Jai Shri
Jai Shri
Mataji.
Mataji. Today we would like to discuss about Shri Mataji's legacy, and let's find out what is Shri Mataji's legacy.
When following are fulfilled, Shri Mataji's legacy will get established. First, fund and develop Nirmal Dham only. Second, implement 2004 will and all wishes of Shri Mataji. Third, remove copyright laws on intellectual property of Shri Mataji. Fourth, establish Shri Mataji's founded Mahayoga method. Fifth, must obey and implement divine laws of 2008 Guru Puja talk.
Yeah, let's find out in detail about why we need to fund and develop Nirmal Dham. And you can find all the details of this blog. I'm gonna put the link in the description. You can read all the blogs here and find out all the details through Shri Mataji's talks. So let's go into this blog and let's read this importance of Shri Mataji's divine body, which is there at Nirmal Dham, which we call Mahasamadhi.
Everyone must give priority and visit Nirmal Dham, or at least attend Nirmal Dham only. Why? Because Sri Mataji is resting at Nirmal Dham, not at Kabala Castle or at Pratishtha. Sri Mataji has worked hard for all of us and has given a lot of love to everyone. So it is our minimum duty to glorify Sri Mataji's Mahasamadhi. Yogis should be identified with the divine body of Sri Mataji, not with Sri Mataji's physical property. Sri Mataji has lived in many houses all over the world. So are we going to worship all of them? Yogis should only be attached to Nirmal Dham, not to Pratishthan or Kabala Castle.
Yeah, because we have to find the relative information in this talk. Why only we need to worship or make this Nirmal Dham as a Mahapilgrim, not Pratishthan or Kabila Castle, because Shmataji's divine body is there at Nirmal Dham. Of course, Shmataji is there everywhere in Nirakar form, in subtle level through Brahma Chaitanya, but the physical body is there at Nirmal Dham. So let's read the relative information we can find in this talk. Same information Shmataji has told in many talks in many different times. This is one example from August 6, 1984.
When I was in Kashmir, I had gone with my husband. There, we were driving through a very dry place, absolutely a wilderness, and suddenly I felt this vibration. And I asked the driver, "Is there a temple here or a mosque?" He said, "Nothing. This is all wilderness." I said, "Let's go toward the place where I am feeling it." And we went nearer and nearer, and after about 5 miles, we reached a place where there were some poor people living. We asked them if there was any mosque or temple or anything like that here or a church. They said no, there is just one mosque called as Hazrat Bal. Hazrat Bal is the mosque of one hair of Muhammad Sahib. And I caught the vibration. You'll be amazed. I caught the vibration about 5 miles away and we traced it down there. So if one hair of Muhammad Sahib can emit such vibrations that Srimati can feel from miles away, then how much vibration of Srimati's whole physical body will emit? It is beyond human capacity to understand and feel the tremendous vibrations flowing from physical body of Srimati. As per Srimati's talk below, we are all cells in Srimati's body and we are not cells in her spirit.
Yeah, again, you can find the relative information in this talk. In many talks, Shmataji said, we are cells in Shmataji's body, not in the spirit or in Nirakar form. So Shmataji's physical body is very important for all Sage Yogis. So let's read this Shmataji's talk, May 3rd, 1987. Go.
So, like one picture which is in the river Ganges, you are like a cell in the body of the Adishakti. Your entity, your personality is preserved. Despite that, you feel the Brahma Chaitanya through your senses and you can give realization to others. But you are in the body of the Adishakti. As long as you are in the body of Adishakti, you can do all that. First of all, I have taken you in my body. A foreign thing has to go in the body and it should be looked after, nurtured. But if you become troublesome, then be thrown out and I can bear you. Some people are extremely troublesome. So there are other talks which Shrimati has given. You can go through this.
Yeah, all the details you can read. I mean, we don't have to read, but just reading. And there is one more talk also. You are part and parcel of my body. Shmati said, we are part and parcel of the body of Shmataji. So all the essence of the talk is we are part of Shumataji's body, and Shumataji's physical body is there at Nirmal Dham. So we have to visit there, and we have to make it big Maha pilgrim, and whole world has to go there because Shumataji is there, and Shumataji has worked so hard for all of us. Okay, let's go back to the main
Second point.
main page here, and let's go deep into this implement of 2004 will and all wishes of Shumataji. So let's find out what are these. Again, the link will be there, so you can read all these information by yourself, and these are all the legal documents of Shumataji. And here, so according to the Shumataji signed 2004 will, following two properties should be belonging to her daughters equally. One is Pratishthan House and Kabila Castle. So here are the details of Shumataji's 2004 will signed by Shumataji here. There are other wills which were forced by Shumataji's husband under the influence of drugs, and Shumataji forced to put the thumb information they took, and those were not valid. Why this is valid? Because Shumataji herself signed, and there is one more important thing we need to understand is, see the date of this signature was on the same
First
day.
April.
Here is yeah, no, not that one. Here somewhere here it is there. It's the
10th,
same.
15th
Yeah, yeah,
April.
here. The signed at and the 15th April 2004.
And the importance of this letter is over here that as per the doctor, Shumataji was perfectly sound, stable,
Yeah.
and alert.
Yes, but what I'm trying to stress is, see, the date is 15th April 2004, and this is also 15th April 2004. Shumataji signed after getting the doctor's checkup. Here the doctor says, you know, stable and alert mental condition, capable of taking their own decisions and judgment. So that means Shumataji, like medically also, I mean legally, medically, is been approved that this is the proper document that everybody has to follow. It doesn't matter what is written. It doesn't matter whatever Shumataji has to happen, because with our own mind we don't know, but it is Shumataji's desire. See, anybody, even any normal human being dies, like any our physical relatives or parents, we respect their will. So in case of Shumataji, we have to respect. So, and there are many people deny, or there are many other wills are there. But here you can see and read. Don't believe in anybody's words. Just believe the facts. Read it by yourself and see the date here and the date here. And we have to pray to establish this one. Okay. And again, this link will be there. You can read by yourself, and let's go back to read the third part.
Remove copyright laws on intellectual property of Sri Mataji.
So let's read this one.
Why?
Okay. See, there is no copyright needed on any intellectual property of Shumataji. See, there are so many talks of Shumataji, and Shumataji's talks are now copyrighted against Shumataji's desire and will. How, and many people deny that there is no copyright. Again, you can go back and read all the details here. It's been copyrighted in America by NIPC, and this is a very, very biggest sin that they have done, all the leaders have done. See, whatever is the desire, there are so many hundreds of talks are there are different talks. Here, let's read this one important. There are so many talks. Let's read this one.
So I know of people. There was an actress who came to my program, and I came in 71. There are so many people who came to my program, and also Dr. Chaudhary told me, you better get it copyright. I said, there is no copyright needed for this kind of thing. It's all right. And they are using my words. They are using words Kundalini. They are using Mahayoga. They are using the word like self-realization, everything, but doing nothing about it. Just making money. Sorry, what can I do about it? It is for you to decide. It is the actualization which should ask. Sri Mataji never wanted her work to be copyrighted. She wanted it to be free for the universe.
Yeah, because here one talk, Shrimati says it's like sun, it belongs to the universe. It should not be. And all the details of the talks are here. And don't believe anybody's words. Whatever Shrimati has said in the tapes or CDs or talks, we have to follow. Because whatever is written, that is the law. Whatever is said by Shrimati, that is the divine law. Okay, let's go back and read this establish of Shrimatiji's founded Mahayoga method. So let's find out what is Mahayoga, what Shrimatiji has founded.
So what did Sri Mataji found?
Yeah,
Sahaja Yoga or Mahayoga?
Yeah, let's read from 84 August 18th talk.
Already Mahayoga started. The day I broke the 7th chakra, Mahayoga started. And that's why we are having thousands of people realized, isn't it?
See, when Shrimatiji has opened the Sahasrara, that is what is the Mahayoga. And here, I mean, there are so many talks out there. And even in this,
the mantras
for Sahasrara mantras, this is Shrimati saying, asking yogis to say. And in this,
the last one is Sri Mahayoga Daini.
There is no Sahaja Yoga Daini.
Because Sahaja Yoga is ancient, from Sri Rama's time.
See, this is here, Shrimati said, are you the founder of Sahaja Yoga? She said, no, I'm not. And Shrimati said, Amas. See, Shrimati has given realization to thousands. Shrimati found a method to give realization to amas, like many people, not one or two people. It started from Sri Rama, Raja Janaka gave to Nachiketa. That was Sahaja Yoga. See, we have one more, Mahayoga Daini, Amas Yoga. So, Amas, like whatever is thousands of people are getting realization is called Mahayoga. So it is not the number of times, how many times Shrimati said, but it is the meaning of it. So here it was just read and go through it and meditate. You will find it's just the meaning of it. It's not the name. It is actually the awareness. It doesn't matter what is the name. It is the awareness that gives that we are able to give realization to many people. Okay, so what we mean to say is we have to establish Mahayoga. Otherwise, Shrimatiji's legacy is not established, and there will be so many calamities. Like the now pandemic is happening, there will be so many other things are going to come. Okay, let's go back to here and see the last one.
Must obey and implement divine laws of 2008 Guru Puja talk. What is the significance of 2008 Guru Puja talk?
Yeah, and we have to put those laws into effect and implement them. So let's read the divine laws from which are derived from Shrimatiji's 2008.
Divine laws to become Guru means teacher.
Yes, these are all from Shrimatiji's talks only. Here, I want to give you complete freedom to spread Sahaja Yoga. Shrimatiji has given all the details, how to proceed, how to spread Sahaja Yoga, what to do, every details in this. So
you cannot charge money, and that is important. It has to be absolutely free.
And one more major important thing is Shrimatiji, in whole talk, Shrimatiji asked everybody to do in a group, not in whole collective. In whole talk, you can't find collective work. I mean, it doesn't mean it's going against collective. To spread, make a group and work it out. That's what Shrimati is trying to say. You should do it, then you should do it individually. So, and again, you can start your own organization, whatever you may call it. I mean, you can read through all these. And these are the divine laws which are derived from these talks only. So you can go through it, and all the links to the talk is there. If you want to read on Amrita whole puja talk, it is given there. Please go through it and try to understand and meditate on this and try to study those talks. So when we to establish Shumataji's legacy, and people are thinking, oh, already Shumataji's legacy is established. Just not by saying it is established, it doesn't work. We have to work because we are instruments of Shumataji. Shumataji has to work through us. We are hands, instruments. So we have to establish, fulfill all these wishes and all these things related to Shumataji. Then only this world, this humankind will be saved. Otherwise, not only this pandemic, there are so many calamities, there are so many things can come and
Destroy mankind.
destroy mankind, because Sri Shiva we know. So we have to be very careful and follow only Shumataji. We have to be the instruments of Shumataji. And thank you very much for your attention. Feel free to contact us if you need any information. Please contact us. You can contact us through the website and blog, and all the details will be given in the link below. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeshma.
Yes, ma'am.